So I decided to get this stand for my iPad, like working when I'm working on the stand itself has quite the thickness here. So you can actually place your iPad on there with even a case on there. You can actually place your iPad on there with even a case on there and it'll still hold it up, and it folds every which way. So this way, down, up, kind of any way that you want, and also side to side, which is great. And it basically folds completely flat so that it stores very nice and easily. Now, why did I get this? I already have a iPad keyboard case. Well, it just kind of took up too much space, and let's look at that right now. So this thing doesn't really hold up the iPad like this. You actually need the keyboard in place here to actually hold it like that. And as you can see, like, this takes up a lot of space on my desk compared to a stand. So, and because of the thickness over here, you can put it on, of course, with a case. So this stands real nicely and takes up way less space than having that keyboard there. And I can just connect it to my other Bluetooth keyboard that actually connects to my computer, so that's perfect. And also this thing doesn't discriminate. I can put my phone there as well with the case on. And I can watch videos and whatnot this way as well. Why would I when I have an iPad? But the option is there, just so you guys know. You can also hold it vertical like this. So if you want to swipe through your little TikToks or Reels or YouTube Shorts or whatever, that's an option as well. So this thing is quite versatile. It's solidly made. I didn't actually look up what it's made of, but this feels like metal. This feels like some kind of carbon fiber, and then this is kind of plastic, but it feels really, really sturdy and strong. I highly recommend that you guys check one of these out. I'll have a link in the description if you're looking to purchase today. And next up, you should check out one of the 2 videos on your screen right now. It's going to change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.